This is all your cousins.
I just want a small one.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't touch my freedom.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you, Veronica. Thank you.
Hi. Sorry, Mina. Hi.
Eh, wale aya saka entrance ole sukara. Where's the bag of Cheetos? Huyo. 좋아. Oh yeah.
Pakluwag pa yung mo kay mga lululiw. Ya. Pangaya sumaya. Ya. Yo kaya mapia po ya. Ya ulo. Ya mansu. Ya. Ya singa ya mo. Kaya ni ay nga. Bari yung pa ko ay sumay ay nga ya. Ya. Apa? Ya way kongi ya. Mangpaka. Ya mapia po ya. Ni makta. Ya, maaf ini. Ya, kai kim kai forward. Ya.
Personal aja. Pero sih kayak aku soalnya itu. Kayak banyak sih aku mau aja personal.
Morning, guys. It is day 2. We're just getting ready to go do our shopping. And I'm gonna take you guys along with us. See you in a bit. Hi, girls.
Hi.
Look at you. Welcome to Samoa. Tina, did you do the hair?
Yeah,
Wow.
it looks good.
Yeah. Nice one, girls. You got We're just here at Gas Better Energy. I think that's what it's called. Here to pick up a gas bottle, and then okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, because of the gas bottles.
Don't do it.
I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Look. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful.
On boy. One more. One more.
Yes, sir. Go, Fatty. Yes, Fatty. Woo! We're making chicken curry for lunch. It's Uncle One. Hello.
Justin, get in. Here we go.
Oh my buddy. Good boy.
First one, two. V. Whoa, chill, boys. Okay, you're okay.
Go! Yeah. Hey. Knock on. Get him! Get him! Oi!
Nice, V. Oh my.
Hello!
No.
I like Noah. Grace? Oh, nice. I like Noah. What? One. Rồi, ai lấy ngồi. Rồi, thì nó phải chưa? Oh. Mà el ka luôn bạn ya. We're gonna have dinner soon. We're gonna order in some pizza from Georgie's, the best #1. So the kids are just outside playing. And that's the thing that I love the most about Samoa. But I'm going to end the video here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Bye guys.